7 of town school system. Today we will present the morning assembly. First of all, I would like to invite Nida Kotila.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ياسين والقرآن الحكيم إنك لمن المرسلين على صراط مستقيم تنزيل العزيز الرحيم لتنذر قوما ما أنذر آباؤهم فهم غافلون لقد حق القول على أكثرهم فهم لا يؤمنون إن جعلنا في أعناقهم أغلالا فهي إلى الأذقان فهم مقمحون وجعلنا من بين أيديهم سدا ومن خلفهم سدا فأغشيناهم فهم لا يبصرون وسواء عليهم أنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون.
Now I would like to invite Mariam for hadith.
Whatever is prayed for at the time of breaking the fast is granted and never refused.
Thank you. Library is here for God.
Stay away from the negative people. They have a program for education.
Now, Haja tells you about the effect of mobile phones on students' life.
Good morning everyone. I, Haja of grade 7, has got a very great opportunity to deliver a speech about a very current topic, that thinking that the harm that mobile phones or smartphones are creating to students' life. Basically, mobile phones were discovered in the late 90s for the purpose of communication. Nowadays, it is one of the addictive things, especially for the students. We are so much addicted to the mobile phone that we could not spend 1 or 2 hours without it. It is not that mobile should be used, but it should be used in a proper way and for a limited time. Children from a very small age are suffering from eye problems just because of mobile phones. They started playing as a mobile phone for a long time, every day. Whenever we get time, we start playing PUBG and some other games, thus wasting our time on immense relaxation, and eyes a lot. So we should be preventive and focus on your studies. Phones, but for less time, and just because we have our future waiting for us. I hope you like it. Thank you.
Thank you. Get ready for national anthem.